Hello everybody, we have 5 easy and free steps so that you can improve your channel. So stay tuned and we will make sure that you get some great information today. Subscribe now. Don't miss any of our amazing tips. Step 1, set a schedule. Schedule time every day, even if it's just 30 minutes. Remember the 80-20 rule. You will spend 20% of your time creating videos and 80% promoting and doing other aspects of your business. Step 2, make a plan. Research your topic, what your viewers need, and use the autofill on YouTube and Google to discover what the people are searching for. Research what you will present. You want to write your script, make sure you've got your intro hook, call to action, content, your closing call to action, and you need to know what equipment you're going to need. Step 3, focus on quality. Make sure you're creating in HD, make sure you're using a good quality microphone, avoid background noise. Step 4, make a custom thumbnail. Create your own thumbnail. This is your opportunity to hook and pull them in to view your video just by looking at it. And use your intro hook as a visual message. We can't emphasize this enough. Step 5, use Tubebuddy. The free checklist will remind you to do everything you must do. It's a great resource. The paid subscription will give you many more features to help you succeed. There's too much in it to cover in a single slide. And we decided to throw in a bonus for you. You must be ready to adapt. You must be ready to change. Change your titles of your playlists and videos based on what is being searched. Also, you have to adjust your keywords to what is being searched so that you maintain your place in the search results. Thank you everyone for watching, and we hope that you get a great benefit out of our video. Subscribe now. Don't miss any of our amazing tips.